How to create and set up Telegram wallet. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create and set up a Telegram wallet in just a few easy steps, so let's get started. First, open your Telegram app and search for the wallet bot in the search bar. Once you find it, tap on the bot and click start to begin the setup process. After starting the bot, you'll see options for creating a new wallet, so click on create wallet and the bot will generate a unique wallet for you. Make sure to securely save the private key or backup phrase provided. This is crucial for recovering your wallet in case you lose access. Now that your wallet is created, you can start adding funds, and the bot will give you a wallet address for receiving funds. You can send cryptocurrency like TON directly to this address. Simply copy the address and use it in your other wallet or exchange to transfer funds. Once you've added funds, you can check your balance by typing /balance in the chat. To send funds, just type /send, enter the recipient's address and specify the amount. It's pretty easy to use, and that's it. You've successfully created and set up your Telegram wallet. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.